You want to install Kodi on the Fire Cube 4K. Nothing easier than that. In this video we show you how it works and the whole thing in just 5 minutes. Let's go. Switch to the settings. This is this gear wheel here on the far right. Here we have to go in. And next we have to unlock the developer option first. The gear wheel. Then on my Fire TV is the next point. Here we have to go in now. And if we are in here, we have to select the following menu item, namely Info. And on Info and on Fire TV Cube. Here you press the OK button until it says you are now a developer. So press the OK button several times in a row. 3 steps, 2 steps, done. You are already a developer. Now we have unlocked that we install unknown apps. That means we go back and can now download apps from the App Store. And for that we go to the App Store. And here we want to install the downloader first. We need that. Go to Search. And here it is enough if you have already written D and O, i.e. 2 letters, because the downloader is automatically recognized and downloaded at the same time. I type AD here and the downloader appears automatically. Here I click on it and now download it. So downloader. As soon as we click on it, we can install it. Here it is already. Here I click on it and say install. I need the downloader. At the same time it says here whether it is compatible. Yes, it fits. I say download for free. It only takes a few seconds and the whole thing is downloaded. Now it is installed at the same time and I can open the app. And as soon as I open the app, of course I have to allow the whole thing, because the downloader wants access to my files. And I have to allow everything, otherwise the whole thing won't work. Then click OK. Here you see the latest version. And in the search field you can now enter an address or you have the downloader code. We give you the downloader code. Then you don't have to type around for a long time and search for the address or whatever. And in this search field you have to click in. And as soon as you have clicked in here, you enter the following numbers. So 7, 7, 3, 8 and 2 and 0. And on start. As soon as you have entered this, you will be redirected to the page where you can download the code. Then you have to agree to the whole thing, otherwise it won't work. So go to agree and click in here with the mouse or with this round circle. Then you will be redirected again. And now you are on the right page. And now we have to scroll down. And when we are here on the page, you have to scroll all the way down. And here you will find the latest version, code 21.3 32-bit APK. I don't need 64-bit, 32-bit is enough. Here you have to click on it and it will be downloaded automatically. Here, too, the whole thing goes quite quickly with the downloader. And now, as soon as we have downloaded it and want to install it, we are warned that we cannot do this. That is, we land on unknown apps, on the downloader. Here we have to go in and click on Add. ADB debugging, I can leave that out. So, install again. That didn't work because the whole thing was blocked. And now we are asked if we want to install it. Yes, we have to click on Install. Now we install Kodi. And here, too, a few seconds and the whole thing is installed. And we click on Finish. I click on Finish and go back to my home screen because I'm already done. And here we go to these points where my apps can be found. And here I can find Kodi. As you can see here, it was installed properly. I just installed Kodi here in a few minutes. Here, too, continue and allow. Here, too, allow Kodi to access photos, media, and files. And the whole thing starts. So you see how easy the whole thing works and, above all, how fast the whole thing works. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't help us much if you only watch the videos without subscribing. So recommend, subscribe. Every Wednesday and every Sunday there are new videos from Technicpaw. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.